BSL, English audio with subtitle support. Former Palace Cinema, High Street. The Palace Cinema was built in 1935, designed by Sidney Colwyn Folkes of Colwyn Bay. The cinema replaced at least two earlier buildings, one of which was occupied by the Metropolitan Bank. During the demolition, a stone plaque was discovered on which were inscribed some initials and numbers possibly used for practice by a trainee mason centuries ago. You can see the plaque in the upper gable wall set into the 1930s stonework. Also in that wall is a tall window aperture filled with a cast iron grating which depicts squirrels and peacocks in a branching vine or tree. The Palace Cinema diversified in the 1970s to host concerts, theatre shows and bingo. Film screenings ended in early 1980s and the auditorium was given over to bingo games, which in turn ceased in late 2012.